Do you ever feel stuck, like your challenges are too big to overcome? But here's a question to think about. What if every challenge was an opportunity in disguise? That's the essence of a growth mindset, the belief that our abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort, perseverance, and learning. It's about seeing every setback, every mistake, and every tough moment as a stepping stone to something greater. Imagine you're learning something new, like a skill or hobby. At first, it feels difficult. You might stumble, make mistakes, or even feel like giving up. But with persistence and an open mind, you improve, bit by bit. That's the power of a growth mindset. When faced with challenges, try shifting your perspective. Instead of thinking, "I can't do this," ask yourself, "How can I learn from this?" Replace "I failed" with "I'm growing." And remember, even the most successful people you admire started somewhere. They embraced their challenges and allowed those experiences to shape them. Here's a tip: start small. Pick one area of your life where you've been holding back and take a single step outside your comfort zone. Whether it's learning a new skill, asking for feedback, or tackling a task you've been avoiding, every step counts. At New Journey Coaching, we believe in empowering individuals to unlock their potential and grow through every challenge. We're here to guide you, support you, and celebrate your progress every step of the way. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about growing, learning, and becoming the best version of yourself. Ready to start your growth journey? Visit us at www.newjourneycoaching.co.uk. Together, let's embrace challenges and discover what's possible.